Hey there guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you a recipe that is super sweet, and you really don't need a lot of this, but it's a nice gift if you know people who really like peanuts. So I'm gonna share that with you now. You want to start out with your flour in a bowl and you want to add your sugar to that. Next up, you want to add an egg and then also some butter. And all the exact measurements are down below as always. Now you want to basically make some peanut flour if you can't buy that anywhere, and you want to add that in as well. And then you want to go ahead and knead that dough until it is completely combined, and you want to put it in the fridge for an hour. After that, you want to go ahead and roll it out, and you want to get it to a size that is about the size of your baking sheet. Then you want to take a fork and make some holes into it and bake it with 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 12 minutes. And after that, you want to let it cool down. Now you want to take some brown sugar in a pan. You want to add your cream, some butter, and some liquor. And then you want to let that simmer a little bit on low to medium heat until it turns light brown like this. Then you want to add in your peanuts and let that simmer some more. And then you're ready to pour that on top of the dough and let that cool down and harden. And then you're basically done. You just have to cut them down into little squares and you can enjoy them. And as I said, you really don't need a lot, so cut them into very small squares, I would recommend. But they are delicious, just very sweet. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye!